In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Printful. By the end, you'll have your Shopify store connected to Printful so products and orders can sync smoothly, and you'll know exactly where to confirm your store's plan details to keep everything running without surprises. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Shopify App Store. The fastest way is to type Shopify App Store into your search bar and follow the official result. Before you proceed, make sure you're signed in to the Shopify store you want to connect. Being in the correct store ensures the install button appears and that the app links to the right place. Once you're in the App Store, use the search bar to look up Printful. You're looking for the official Printful print-on-demand app. Open the listing to review the overview, screenshots, and ratings so you're confident you've got the correct app. This quick check helps you avoid installing lookalikes and make sure the features match what you need. From the app listing, click Install. Shopify will display a permission screen explaining what the app can access, such as products, orders, and fulfillment. Review these details and approve to continue. You'll then be prompted to sign up for a Printful account or log in if you already have one. Signing up here is part of the integration flow and only takes a moment. Follow the prompts, confirm your basic store details, and allow Printful to connect to your Shopify store. That authorization is what creates the secure bridge between the two platforms and enables automatic syncing. After installation, return to your Shopify admin home. You should see a confirmation or be able to find Printful listed under Apps. This is your quick visual cue that the integration is active and ready for use. If you ever need to revisit app settings, this is where you'll access them. Next, head to Settings in your Shopify admin. You'll find this at the bottom of the left sidebar. This area controls store-wide preferences that influence how connected apps operate, so it's the right place to confirm important details before you begin selling. Within Settings, open Plan. Take a moment to review your current Shopify plan and billing status. Knowing your plan helps you understand any limitations and ensures your store remains active as you work with Printful. If you're on a trial, know when it ends so your integration isn't interrupted. That's it. You located the Shopify App Store, found Printful, installed it, and signed up. Return to your Shopify home, open Settings, and checked your plan. Your Shopify Printful connection is in place and ready for the next steps whenever you are.